Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change Instagram username on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to access your Instagram on your PC. So you can just go to your web browser and search for Instagram and click on the search results that says Instagram and log in and sign up, and you'll be able to access the current interface that is shown to you. And when you're inside this interface, you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen, and on the bottom of the left hand side there will be option called more. So you just have to click on more and a pop-up box will appear, and the first section of pop-up box is settings. So you just have to click on the settings and you will be able to access the settings section. And when you're inside the settings section, you will be able to see Meta Account Center. You just have to click on that and you will be able to access the Meta Account Center. And when you're inside the Meta Account Center, you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen. There will be profiles. So you just have to click on the profile of Instagram whose username you want to change. Just click on it and a pop-up box will appear once more. And there will be list of things like name, username, profile picture and avatar. So you just have to click on the username and the username box will be appeared. So in order to change the username, you just have to delete the previous username and you can just add the new username. And when you have added the new username, you can just click on that done button and you will be able to change your username. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.